Everyone, welcome to my vlog. Happy Sunday. It's a family day today. I just go to the beach to walk there for 1 hour. I just have to have a morning sunlight. Dr. Sun. Before I start what I need to do in the house today. See, this is the lake park in my right side. And also the beach is after lake park, the Cornish Street. And there, it's already the Cornish Beach. I need to exercise, also walking at the same time to have a morning sunlight. But the sun is not coming up. Nice weather today because it's not too hot. The weather is slow down because the winter is coming. If it's like this, the temperature, it's nice to go walking in the beach or in the park. That's my favorite season of the year, winter, because I can every day off if I don't have training. I went to walk beside the beach there. Side in my back is the park, lake park. But this side is the going to the mall, WTC mall.